Agile product delivery is an approach to building and releasing a flow of products and services for consumers, centered around them and their feedback to the product. It's an integral part of the lean enterprise, the fourth in the 7 core competencies essential to achieving business agility. Enterprises must continuously increase their ability to deliver products on time, with high quality, and features that innovate their product to achieve business agility. Their focus on execution needs to be consumer-centric, so the right solutions are developed for the right consumers in a timescale that works for them. The ability to perform these actions must work in conjunction with each other, creating opportunities for sustained market and service leadership. There are 3 dimensions to this agile product delivery. First, customer-centricity and design thinking. This puts the customer right in the middle of every decision that's made, with design decisions based around them to guarantee the proposed solution is not only achievable, but desirable. It is achieved through multiple goals. First, focus on the customer. Customer-centric enterprises use market and user segmentation to align and focus the enterprise on specific, targeted user segments. Understand the customer's needs. Customer-centric enterprises move beyond merely listening to customers who ask for features. Instead, they invest the time to identify customer needs and build solutions that address these needs. Build whole product solutions. Customer-centric enterprises design a complete solution for the user's needs, ensuring that the initial and long-term experiences of the customer is optimal and evolves as needed. Develop on cadence. Release on demand helps to manage the unknown variables in product development, assuring customers get the value they need when they need it. Customer-centric enterprises seek to create a continuous flow of value to its customers. The timing of these releases are determined by market and customer needs, and the enterprise's own motivation to provide value. Some enterprises may release extremely frequently, while others may be constrained by compliance or other market requirements that motivate less frequent releases. Collectively, SAFe refers to these capabilities as release on demand. DevOps in the continuous delivery pipeline lays a foundation that enables enterprises to take the initiative, releasing value at any time to meet customer and market demand. Every enterprise faces the need to react to customer demand and needs faster with digital solutions. A common problem for fast delivery has always been the chasm between development and operations. The former optimizes for frequent releases and change, and the latter optimizes for operational stability. If not addressed, this dichotomy in worldview creates a barrier to success. The need to balance execution focus with an eye they need to keep on consumers is vital, making sure that customers get what they need when they need it. Agile product delivery works off of a foundation of customer centricity, utilizing design thinking to make the solution work for the customer and the company.